At sea level pressures and with no sloshing of vibration present, Jet A fuel, the most common commercial jet fuel worldwide, has flammability characteristics that tend to make the fuel-air mixture too lean to ignite at temperatures below approximately 37 degrees Celsius, 100 Fahrenheit, and too rich to ignite at temperatures above 80 degrees Celsius, 175 Fahrenheit. This range of flammability, 37 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, is reduced to cooler temperatures as the airplane gains altitude due to the corresponding reduction of pressure. For example, at an altitude of 30,000 feet, the flammability temperature range is approximately 15 to 49 degrees Celsius, 60 to 120 Fahrenheit.